Hi everyone, Beth Dodson here, co-founder of HomeZada. Someone had asked me to get a shorter version of how the organizers can use HomeZada for their clients and their business. So let me get to it and let me get involved in this process. So while organizing a home, organizers can help clients by taking a home inventory. That's the first step. There's three key areas. The first step is a home inventory. And why is this valuable? Because a home inventory stops the overspending and the buying of duplicate items because they're a little bit better organized, as organizers are in the business of doing. The second area is it identifies what you own in case of an emergency, like a natural disaster, a fire in your house, or even a theft. The third area is through estate planning. When you're identifying what you own, you want to distribute it to the appropriate individuals, whether it's family, friends, or even a cherished organization that you have a special affiliation to. The fourth area is tracking multiple homes. When we have multiple homes, we have different items in those homes, and we need to understand what is in those homes for record keeping sake. The fifth area is through storage units. We have sheds, we have barns, we have additional storage units, and many of these units have a lot of valuable items or big ticket items that need to be identified in case of something should happen to those situations. So that's the first area where an organizer can help their clients, is through a home inventory with those 5 key values. The second area is taking a home maintenance. A home maintenance is something that is really good for an organizer because organizers are just that, super organized, and they can help set a schedule for their clients when they don't know what to do. The third area is document management. So paper is everywhere in a lot of people's homes. And in fact, paper with our homes are distributed everywhere. Property documents, mortgage documents, insurance documents, users manuals, any other type of documents you can think of in your house. You can centralize them by putting them in HomeZada in one location and use the search functionality to find that information. That's what's really valuable. So these 3 key areas are good areas for organizers to get involved with their homeowners, the clients, on how they can stay better organized, and they can do it through technology. Now, the value to a business for an organizer is twofold. One, they can take these types of services into existing clients, and that's really valuable because they've already got a relationship and they can take this service in there. The third area is taking this type of service to net new clients, which is really extremely valuable. And the reason why we suggest this is, one, organizers are super organized, and this, by using HomeZada, they can differentiate their business. That's step 1. 2, they get ahead of the industry by staying current on the latest and greatest state-of-the-art technology to use to help people organize, which is extremely important. Technology is changing the way we have the world, so it is there. And then the third area is, by using HomeZada, you can build an ongoing relationship with your clients, both new and returning, because you can continue to do a home inventory year over year over year as you update it for your clients, because we all buy things, we all make changes, we all donate things. We need to go through that update and stay current on what we own. So those are key areas of how an organizer can gain value, not only for their business, but also for their clients by using HomeZada. If you have any questions, please let us know in the chat box down here, or give us an email at info@homezada.com.